mission on Falcon, so it's a little bit different here.
We're just inside T-minus 2 minutes and counting. The good news right now we're hearing it doesn't look like we're going to need to hold a T-minus 40 seconds as the boats are clearing out of the way.
All right, we don't look.
Next event coming up, TVC Wiggles, as we move the center engines on the first stage.
All right. Yeah. There's some wiggles right there.
You can see maybe just a little bit there. 90 seconds, wiggles are underway as we're checking out the first stage. TVC checks are complete. Next major event we're going to hear, hopefully, is the flight director go for launch at T-minus 30 seconds. As we're coming up on T-minus 1 minute, when we get to T-minus 40 seconds, we'll just listen in. Last time, as you recall, we did hold at 40 seconds, but it took a few seconds for the clock to recover, so we're going to watch that. And as we press to T0, we're going to watch and listen the second test flight of Starship.
T-minus 30 seconds. Back to rapid recycle.
Recycle. T-minus 40 seconds.
Back at Hawthorne, we're at T-minus 40 seconds in holding. We had a rapid recycle. We've not heard anything over the countdown net as the team works both first and second stages.
All right.
We're going to monitor the nets here for a minute.
You're holding at T-minus 40 seconds. Final pressurations on the vehicle.
Got a little bit of an update. We're continuing to hold at T-minus 40 seconds. This is the normal hold point for Starship, as we talked earlier. Sounds like we're working just late pressurization on, I believe, the second stage. Team is working it. All the other systems are on hold right now at 40 seconds. We can hold here for about 15 minutes or so before we would run out of window for this morning. So right now they're working on filling pressure vessels. And ideally we'll be able to solve this and come back and release the clock at T-minus 40 seconds.
We're
going to continue to listen and monitor for another few minutes.
When they're ready for the pull. See some good drone footage of Starship.
And it's worth mentioning here that don't go away. We are holding at T-minus 40 seconds, but once the teams have resolved and see the data that they want to see, the clock can restart straight away, and it'll start ticking down from T-minus 40 again, all towards liftoff.
Yeah, exactly. Now, while we do have the ability to hold for up to 30 minutes, we only have a 20-minute launch window, so don't go away, don't change the channel, and just like Shiva said, we can restart that clock, and there it is.
And there it goes.
Okay, T-minus 36.
Clock is rolling. T-minus 30 seconds.
All right, T-minus 30 seconds. We are go for launch of Starship 2, second integrated flight test. Let's sit back and watch a historic moment. T-minus 20 seconds. Fire reactor is now activated. Deluge activated.
T-minus 15. 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition. Oh my gosh! And we have commit. We have committed. We have liftoff.
Oh, yes, it's cleared power and it's going away to the Starship, go Booster 9. I got speed. Booster 9 propulsion is nominal. All 33 engines are working good. It is clear to pad. Infrastructures are holding up well. Hot station ring holding up well. Amazing views of the 33 engines firing the Starship up into the air into space. You can see the heat house that fell off. That's completely
We
nominal.
are T plus 40 seconds into the flight of Starship. 33 Raptor engines powering the first stage.
Power and telemetry nominal.
We've heard power and telemetry nominal call out. We're heading downrange over the Gulf of Mexico. And that call out tells us Starship is through the period of greatest stress on the way to space. Now the next major event is hot staging in just over 90 seconds from now. To get ready, the booster will shut down all but 3 of the Raptor engines.
All right.
Flames holding the 2 stages together will release, and the Starship's second stage will ignite its engines. Starship will then separate from the Super Heavy booster and head to space. And at the same time, the 3 engines that are still firing on Super Heavy will flip the booster around. 10 more engines will ignite for the boost back burn, putting the first stage on path for a splashdown in the Gulf of Mexico. Engine power continues to look nominal on 33 Raptor engines. We're about to shut down the first stage and perform staging. Let's watch and listen.
And acquisition of signal Houston and New Orleans. Booster engine cut off.
Hot stage.
Stage separation.
Boost back startup.
Ship engine ignition.
You're here at cheering the first ever successful hot stage for SpaceX's Starship.
Boost back
Incredible views of our Super Heavy booster.
Oh.
And as you can see, the Super Heavy booster has just experienced a rapid, unscheduled disassembly. However, our ship is still underway with
Ship
all
avionics,
6.
power and telemetry nominal.
And we just heard there, ship avionics, power and telemetry nominal. All 6
Wow.
engines are lit, as you can see from the GUI there at the bottom right-hand side of your screen. Now, we did know that the